Hello, my name is Sofia. I'm a graduate from the textile program at OCAD. I'm originally from Peru, but I've been living in Canada for the past 13 years. My background is very material-based, even though my main practice has always been drawing and illustration. I think over time my illustrations transformed into three-dimensional work. One of those is the ones that you see at the Fibreworks exhibition called Macroweave. This work speaks a lot about space and how we humans interact with it. I've had many places I call home, and I've been hyper aware of making sense of our surroundings and also how objects can become the storytellers of our lives in a way. Through my material exploration, I'm always trying to find new ways of challenging the idea of what fiber can be or how you can experience textiles. I find textiles are so personal and intimate, and they can also hold so much space, and they can convey so many feelings. So I like to explore that in my work. My process always begins with drawings, and I like to ask myself just different ways of how to create texture, tactility, and form. And I've also experimented a lot with light as a material, and I really love the contrast between material and immaterial and what that can create it within the space. And just thinking about memory and things that are no longer tangible. The sculpture consists of multiple hanging pieces of thread that were hand woven together, forming an intricate pattern that reflects on the wall, and it creates really interesting play between material and immaterial, in which the woven threads kind of transcend their physicality and they become very ethereal.